This is Anthony learning how to ice skate on his own. And that's him falling. But he knows he has to get up and try it again. All right! Go fast, go fast! There he goes, he got the hang of it. Amazing. There you go. All right. You almost fell. You fell on your butt. Give me 5. All right, that's good.
Take a rest.